Hello everybody, welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today is Makar Sankranti and today many of my viewers had commented and had requested and had messaged me ki why not I go for sweet Pongal. And so today itself only I made this video, edited, and now I am sharing this video recipe with you. And I hope you would love it. So let's begin with it. So for this, I'm going to heat a non-stick pan, add some ghee to it, that is your clarified butter, and I'm going to roast some chopped almonds in it. You can add walnuts even if you like, but I like the almond flavor more. And here I'm adding the dry coconut, grated dry coconut. If you have fresh coconut, that even you can add, that would add much better taste to it. You can even slice and add. And here I am adding freshly grounded cardamom powder. So this is the garnish I am preparing, which I am going to add to the Pongal. So now comes the proper Pongal preparation. For this I have heated a pan, added clarified butter or ghee to it. And here goes the rice. I mean the Caulirice, that is your keto rice. I am adding the keto rice. Basically the Pongal is made of rice and I have added water to it so that the Caulirice becomes tender. I am going to cover it up and I am going to let it cook for at least 5 to 7 minutes till the water evaporates. See, my cauliflower is tender. Now I am adding cottage cheese to it, that is your crumbled cottage cheese or paneer, whatever you call. I've added that and I'm just sauteing it. Now here comes the cream. I am adding cream to it. Basically the Pongal is made with yellow split dal and rice and with milk, but here I am adding cream to it and let it cook for at least 1 or 2 minutes. And then I'm going to add the sugar portion, that is my erythritol to it. You can add whatever sugar free you use. If you use stevia, fruit monk, you can add that and stir it. Let it cook. See, the cream, the sugar, that is your sugar free erythritol, all will be absorbed by the paneer, that is your cottage cheese, and the Caulirice. And now my Pongal is almost prepared and now I am adding the garnishing to it. Keep a little bit of garnishing for decoration. I am keeping this aside and now I am going to mix this thoroughly so that the flavors get incorporated into the Pongal. This is my sweet Pongal and it's prepared. Now one of my South Indian friend, she suggested me to sprinkle a pinch of grounded black pepper powder. This adds a very good flavor to this dish. She told me to add only a pinch and I have added this to this dish and this really tasted awesome. So this is optional. If you want you can add, otherwise you can avoid it. Now let me taste and see. Yeah, yummy. It's good, it's tasty and I know it, you're going to like it. So now I'm going to take it out in a bowl. But unluckily, I forgot to on my camera for the serving time. And so I just have the snaps of it. In a hurry, you do some mistakes and this is the mistake I did. But no, it doesn't matter. My Pongal is ready. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel and please post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. And happy Makar Sankranti to all of you. And please make this Pongal and have a great time. Thank you.